Hello and hi to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are having the question that is, in a business, A and C invested amounts in the ratio 2:1, whereas the ratio between amounts invested by A and B was 3:2. If 1,57,300 was their profit, how much amount did B get? So here we are having three persons, A, B and C, and they have just invested in the ratio that is 2:1, and for A is to B that is 3:2. So the first thing which we have to make it clear, that is A ratio B. So A and B, they have invested in the ratio that is 3:2, and A and C, they have invested in the ratio that is 2:1. So we have to find out the ratio for A, B and C, and that is A ratio B ratio C. So for this, the most simplest thing to find out the ratio for A, that is, so this is A. So the thing which we have to do, we have to just multiply it A by A. So here A ratio A, we get here the answer that is 3 multiplied by 2. So this is 3 multiplied by 2, and we get here that is 6. So this is the ratio for A. So here we get for A that is 6 ratio. And now for B, so here A and B, so this is A and B. So for this is A and B. So we multiply A and B, this one. So here that is A ratio B. So A ratio B, that is 2 multiplied by 2, and this becomes that is 4. So here for B, we have just find out A ratio B, that is 4. And now for A ratio C, so we multiply A, and this is C for C. So now A ratio C, that is 3 for A and 1 for C, and this becomes that is 3. So here the ratio for C we get that is 3. So this is the ratios invested by A, B and C whole. The total amount that is 1,57,300. So here the first thing which we take, that is, let the amount invested by A, B and C is X. So we have just taken X as the invested amount. So how much they invested, that is in the ratio for A, that is 6x plus this is 4x plus 3x by C, and this becomes total. So how much is the total amount, that is 1,57,300. I hope till here you have completely understood. So further solving this, here we get that is 13x. So 6 plus 4 plus 3, that is 13, is equal to 157. And here to find out the value of x, that is 1,57300 divided by 30. So we have to divide 1,57,300 by 13. So is it possible? So let's try out to solve it. This is 157300 divided by 13. So how much will be it? So here 13 ones are, that is 13. So here we get that is 2, and this 7 comes downward, and 13 twos are, we get here 26, and here 1 remains, and this 3 comes downward, and 13 ones are, that is 13. So here we get the answer 0. So here 2 zeros are remaining, so we put it here. So 13 ones are, and 13, if we divide, and we get this 12100. So here we are having the value for x now, that is 12,100. So this is the value for x. Now in the question it is saying that how much amount did B get. So from the total of the invested and from the total benefits, so this is the total benefits. So from this, how much does B get? So here we are having the ratio for B, that is 4x. So here this is the amount invested, the ratio of the amount invested by B. So now B's share. Now B's share, that is how much? 4x. So how much this becomes? This becomes, that is 4 multiply. So the value of x, that is 12,100, and this becomes, that is 48,400. So this is B's share. So this is B's share, and this is our answer as well. So I think you have completely understood the question and the solving method. So it is requested to you, please subscribe our channel Aptitude Math Learner. So thank you very much.